Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my two framed diamond paintings from Diamond Dots. The first one is Yellow Dress. I just did a post review. If you want, you can watch my previous video. I speak about the specifications of this kit, about my general impression, about the final result. I purchased this frame from Michael, so they still have an event going on. Buy one, get one free. So one was $27, and I purchased the same size frame, but of white color for my next kit. And this one is 40 by 50 centimeters or 16 by 20 inches. It looks amazing. It sparkles so much. Unfortunately, the camera does not show all the sparkle. The white AB diamonds were used on the car, and when you look at it in real life, it looks like there is the snow on it. I'm trying to catch the angle to show you the sparkle, but unfortunately I can't. Here are the white ABs on top of the car, and it looks amazing. I love the shades, so maybe like this. There is some sparkle. There is some sparkle when I record it from here. So this is my first kit from Diamond Dots that I actually framed. I was really very lucky today. I purchased 4 frames for around $60. Thank God there were a lot of events going on, sale events. So this way I'm kind of safe now for a few like weeks and for a few kits that I planned to diamond paint. So this is the first one. I had a brown and gray frame, but it didn't really look nice. So I just went ahead and purchased the black one. So this is the first diamond painting that I framed, and the second one is Glass Doves, and finally that one does reflect all the beautiful sparkle that comes from this amazing kit. Let me move the candle somewhere. Oops. It actually the flame reflects on the glass and it doesn't show you all the sparkle. Look, it is amazing. It is so beautiful. I really love it. This is a 12 by 12 inches frame, and the image, although I had to cut a few centimeters from this diamond painting, but it didn't affect my work. I cut really the extension of the design, which was not diamond painted. I love it. I purchased it like for $13 or so. The original price was like 35 bucks. I purchased it online and picked it up online. It was way cheaper. And I don't know if you saw my post review of this kit. I did add sparklers. This kit came only with resin drills, but I did add sparklers and neon and AB drills to it, mostly on the background. I didn't touch the doves. The doves came up the way they originally were supposed to, because I wanted to show the effect of the stained glass, and the only way to achieve it was to use the sparklers to show that the background is really glass, and I think I succeeded in it. I was thinking of giving it away to the church, but now when I'm looking at all the sparkle, I feel so greedy. I don't want to share. Maybe I will keep it for myself. I don't know. So I really like it. And the frame looks pretty good. So these are two diamond paintings I wanted to show you, my two framed kits. I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Now I'm going to start working on a Diamond Art Club kit, and as soon as I'm done, I will post a video review, and I also purchased a frame for it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.